Hello, my name is Girish Malipedi. I'm the Marketing Director for Video and Imaging Solutions at Xilinx. Today I'm here to talk about machine learning inferencing demo running on Versal ACAP for ADAS and autonomous driving applications. But before I get into the demo, I want to quickly give you an overview of Versal ACAP platform. Versal ACAP platform is industry's first adaptive compute acceleration platform. It has multiple engines to support the ever-increasing computational needs of various applications. It has dual Cortex A72 ARM processor subsystem, dual Cortex R5 real-time processor engine. It also has intelligent engines for machine learning computational needs, as well also signal processing computational needs. Apart from that, it also has the standard FPGA-based programmable logic for user logic. And along with all its features, we also have programmable network on a chip, which allows users to connect all these engines seamlessly to each other. In this demo, we have 4 live camera feeds coming in over MIPI, and before it goes into the machine learning network, we actually do image sensor processing, and also we prep the images so that it can be fed into the tiny YOLO version 2 implemented in the AI engine block. Once the objects are detected on all the live feeds, the bounding boxes are drawn and mixed and displayed over HDMI display. All of this implemented image captured pipes and the display processing pipes are running on the programmable logic. The tiny YOLO version 2 is implemented in the AI engine, and all the software, embedded software, is running on the ARM subsystem block. So next, look at the hardware itself. Here is the demo. Here is the Versal VCK190 platform, which features VC1902 device, which is the first device in the Versal device family. And we are capturing 4 live feeds of camera over MIPI cameras. Here is the daughter card, which takes in all the 4 feeds. The daughter card is built by Avnet. The VCK190 allows you to have 2 such daughter cards, so you can do multiple camera feeds. Once the image processing and the machine learning inferencing is done, the output is displayed over HDMI here. Here you can see the 4 live feeds where objects are being detected and bounding boxes are drawn and displayed over HDMI onto a single screen. Lastly, let's look at the embedded software part of it. Xilinx has standardized on V4L or Video for Linux for capture pipes and DRM for the display pipes. Xilinx provides all these drivers for MIPI capture, HDMI capture, similarly on the display side. Along with the V4L and the DRM drivers, Xilinx also provides GStreamer plugins for all the capture image pipes, making it easy for users to build their own pipes and designs. And all of these drivers and the embedded application is running an ARM processor subsystem. Lastly, if you are excited about this demo and you want to learn more about the Versal platform or the VCK190 or the demo itself, please contact your local sales office.